This is Chad with Ragged Wood Bus. We're going to give you a tour, so why don't you come on in. Alright, so here we have just our main living space. We got a couch on each side. We have 4 kids, so it's very important to have lots of sitting space, you know, in the living room area, place to do homework. We homeschool, so all of our couches, they lift up. Got a bunch of junk under them, you know, lots of storage space. As you walk through over here, we got a kitchen. A little kitchen, but we get by with it. We have a propane stove. This was just a Craigslist find. It's good to always check Craigslist and other things like that. A lot of people are parting out RVs that have been wrecked or whatever, so it's a good find. We also found our fridge is just a RV fridge, so the 3-way propane fridge, and we found that as well on Craigslist. It's used, works great. So nice deep sink. Then we have just like a pantry area right here. So as you walk back through, we have, like I said, we have 4 kids. So we had to figure out some way to fit us all in here, so we went with these bunks. Then we had to figure out a way to put all their stuff in here. You know, we contemplated drawers on the bottom, different things like that, and we ultimately went with, here, I'll show you this one right over here. Ultimately a hinged, you know, bed right here, so they can fit all their stuff in here. Closes, they can go to sleep, you know. Yeah. In each bunk we have an AC outlet back there for charging any devices. We also have a light that's on a dimmer switch. So kind of nice for them. Back through here, we kind of went with a split bathroom. A lot of people do it all on one side or different things like that. So we have our toilet on one side, the nature's head, and then on the other side we have our shower, which is unfinished. We use it a lot for storage, but it is usable, so we do shower in there.
It usually is the last thing that people finish is the shower.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And we just found a RV tub, and that worked great for the shower pan area. Sure. So right here we have a little sink for hand washing. Another find right here. I mean this little sink, brand new, will cost you $100, but I mean we found some guy who had RV parts and we got it for 25 cents. Yeah. So and back here we have the master bedroom. So we needed a space to get away from the kids, you know, have our own space. Our kids are a little bit older, so so we have our bed here. It's up against the wall, and it lifts up. Our water tanks are under there, the water heater's under there, and also, you know, like our pump and everything like that. So for our clothes and storage, we just put these cubbies under here. So you just pull out the little basket. We got socks and stuff like that. The other one down here just has clothes in it, you know. So it's kind of we kind of like that feature. It's easy, hideable. Back here I have like my workstation. So, and then our solar generator. We went with the Goal Zero Yeti. It's an all-in-one solar generator. So works pretty good for us.
All right.
So yeah.
Well, beautiful bus.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.